Hi guys, today we're gonna have a look at how to import another garment when we have already one project. So we're just gonna go to File and go to Add Project or Garment. I'm gonna add a project because I saved it as a project before. So I'm just gonna click on the project and maybe we're gonna add the Tank Moon. So this menu is gonna appear and it says add the garment. The avatar, we don't need it because it's already here. So I just click OK. Then basically it says pose and size, maintain current avatar size and pose, or open size and pose from garment file. I'm gonna choose this one in case the pose is different, so I'm not gonna have problems. So just click OK, and you see it adds it automatically. Then basically before I simulate, you can see that sometimes the garment gets caught into other layers, the other garment. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go to the 2D window, select the pattern here, and when you select the pattern, that's it. So you can see that all the fabrics from the other design have been added as well in the object browser. I'm just gonna go to property editor and change it to layer 1. That's it. I'm just gonna put 1, press enter. So this is gonna go into fluo green and just press OK. Then I simulate, and once I simulate, you see, very quickly the computer understands that that's actually the top layer. Then what I'm gonna do while it's still selected, I'm just gonna change it again to 0, press enter, and that's it. Then if I'm not happy with the color, as I said earlier, that the fabrics that have been imported already, I can just go into the object browser and click on the color, change the color if I wish, as those are green maybe. And maybe you can do different shade, slightly darker. That's it. Then I can change the pose of the avatar as well. Just gonna put it on the attention pose. There you go. So that's pretty much about it. Very simple. You can save this as a total outfit, total look that you came up with. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.